Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you all how you can make your carrot oil. Yes, how you can make your carrot oil. Just watch how I am going to do this. And if you are just coming across my video for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you are new to this channel and you love what you are seeing, please like and share this video. Subscribe, turn on the bell so that anytime we upload any new video, you will be the first to know. So guys, as you can see, I'm grating my carrots. Yes, I'm grating my carrots now. So guys, just watch the process. So guys, I just finished grating the carrots. So I'll be putting in my fry pan, and this is what I'll be using, the oil I'll be using for this. Yes, I will be using my almond oil. Yes, this is what I'll be using. When you are putting your oil, any kind of oil of your choice, you just have to stir it so that the oil will enter all the carrot oil, all the carrots. So this is my 100% pure coconut oil. Guys, as you can see, the weather have already blocked my coconut oil. Yes, so I'll be using my coconut oil for this as well. Guys, you can use as much as you want. Yes, you can use as much oil as you want. Like any type of oil is not a must. You must use this particular oil, like this particular essential oil. You all know what oil does to your skin. Yes guys, oil is not meant for only hair. You can use this coconut oil to cook. You can use it for your skin. I've seen a lot of people, and I'll see a lot of review about this coconut oil and about this carrot oil that you can use for your skin. Like I've seen a lot of people, like not that I know these people, but I've seen them using it. I've seen a good review about this carrot oil. Guys, this is me stirring my carrot oil. Guys, you just have to leave it on the fire for like 5 minutes, like on a low heat. You don't have to hide the fire on it. You just have to reduce the volume of the heat. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm just stirring 5 minutes. You are going to drop it. So guys, 5 minutes later, this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looked like. Did you see that the carrot oil have already changed? If you don't know what carrot oil does, like if you don't know the benefits of carrot oil contains vitamin A. Yeah. Carrot oil contain vitamin B, which are essential nutrients for the hair. Yeah, for the hair. Yeah. Guys, if you are seeing this video, Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Have you ever used carrot oil before? Guys, this is my container I am refilling. Yes, big, this is what I normally do. This is what I normally do. I refill whenever it's finished. So I decided to show you all how I make my carrot oil. Yes, this is me because this is the one I'll be using for my hair and many more. So I decided to do a video about that to show you how you can process your carrot oil. Yes, that's why I do this video. So I hope this video helps. You can use it for your baby hair, you can use it for your hair, you can use it for any kind of hair. You can also use it for your skin. This is me taking out the oil from the fry pan. So this is me removing the oil. I'm ramming the oil now. Yes, guys, this oil is, the smell of this oil is so good. I must tell you, I must confess, the oil is so the smell, oh my god, yummy, yummy. So guys, this is how it looks like. I've already taken the oil out, and this is the many carrot oil that was like the carrot chaff that was remaining. So I'm going to throw that off, and this is me stirring. I was stirring my carrot oil, guys. The scent, like the smell is so good, like the smell is so nice. This is me preparing to put it inside the fridge. Like guys, I put it inside the fridge for 30 minutes. Yeah, I put it inside the fridge for 30 minutes for it to for it to block, not block, like moderate, where I can easily apply it to my hair. So guys, this is me applying my clove. You all know clove, guys. I did a video about this. I don't know, I am going to share it to you how you can make your own clove water. Guys, I've been using the clove water for so long. Even when it started trending, I've been using the clove water. I must tell you, this clove water is so good, and if you don't have it, guys, we be uploading the video for you all to see. Guys, this is my carrot oil. It looks like cream. This is oil. Yeah, this is oil, guys. This is how it looks. It smells so nice, I must say. It smells so nice. Very, very soft. My goodness, very soft, like very soft. Guys, like I said before, it's not only hair you can use carrots to do. You can use it for your skin. If you cannot afford to buy any cream, like if you cannot afford to buy any oil, carrot oil, you can, this is home remedy you can make for yourself. Like this is home remedy. Like if you are that kind of person that you don't want to spend money on cream, guys, I must say this is the best cream you can use for yourself, like the best oil. I've seen a lot of people that have been using carrot oil for their skin, guys, and their skin is so good. I've seen a lot of review on internet. They are using carrot oil. These people cannot just come out and start lying about that is not working for them. If it's not working for them, they will not talk about it, guys. I think so. So if you don't have money to buy cream, you can also use coconut carrot oil for your skin. Yes, you can use it. It's not everybody that can afford to buy cream. You all know how the country looks like right now. The country is so hard. Guys, I want to share something with you. During the COVID-19 period, 2 months inside the COVID-19 period, my cream finished. Yes, my cream finished. So I decided to make this carrot oil. I saw it online, so I decided to make. I've been using that carrot oil on my skin for 2 months. After then, I can go out. I started using my cream. I used this carrot oil for my skin for 2 months before I started using my normal cream, Fair and White Gold. Yes, guys, this oil is so good, and I've been using it for my hair. I even did for my neighbor. Please guys, subscribe, like, bye.